My name's Eric Burton with Inbox Opt-in Media here in Scottsdale, Arizona. I want to share something with you very quickly. Google has a secret page for all businesses specifically that set up their business correctly. So if I were to put in personal injury attorney, okay, and this is for attorneys in general. It could be national attorneys and or local attorneys. You can direct local with these keywords as well. You can see that Google is already suggesting a specific law firm. Look at this. For Phoenix, Solorzano Law Firm. Now, this actually hasn't happened yet, but this is actually what could happen if you set your specific brand up. Whichever firm you are in the state of Arizona that would want to brand yourself to these type of keywords, you can do that. This is Google's secret. So it looks like whenever somebody types this in that Google is suggesting your brand or your business. So approximately 70% of the time from our statistics that we've tracked, they normally click on this before they actually click on Google search. Okay, so let's click on this and see what happens. Oh my gosh. This is the Google secret page for this law firm. I bet this law firm here in Scottsdale or Phoenix, Arizona didn't even know that this was here. Or they may have seen it, but they don't know how to get traffic to this specific page. So why would you pay to get on the first page of SEO or Google for this keyword when you've got to compete with all of those others on the first page when you could just redirect them to this page? Well, that's what that actually did. So if you get in what we call the auto suggest, which Google search suggest that you just saw, and they click on that, then they come to this page. Well, does that mean that that click meant that you were paying for that click for them to get to this page? No. We actually track it to where if they click on this, which is actually their website, or this, their website here, or call, which I think is very important as well, or anything on this page that connects you with them, specifically website and this website and call, then that counts as a click with SPO ads or search position optimization ads. They work exactly like Google search intent, and you can see that all of a sudden they bypass the search and they click on that specific branded page, and this is what comes up. This is much better than anyone talking about SEO, definitely for anyone who wants to up their conversions and caseloads when it comes to an attorney. Click on the link in the description below or click on any link below and set a 15-minute Google Meet with me, and I will definitely give you all the information that you're looking for to improve conversions and cases with your firm